Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're still...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most often welcome. You know how we do. If you haven't subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you're gonna find when I have any video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey bulls, Mama is back with another look. Today I decided to keep it low, bougie on the budget. You want to break the bank before you want to look classic, period, best drugstore makeup-ish situation we are having today. Trust me, I'm into this look 247. Okay, bougie on the budget, you want to look cute but still you want to save some money, baby girl. So I got your back, Mama got your back 247. Okay, so no longer to working. I'm excited because a bunch of the products I use are brand new. Okay, foundation is new, setting spray is new, eyeshadow is new, eyebrow powder is new. Please talk to the hands, baby guys. I'm all over the place. Okay, I'm feeling myself and I hope you guys enjoy, you get inspiration. Okay, no longer talking on the product I use are going to be listed down below. If you're interested, you want to see how I put this bougie on the budget, you don't want to break a bank, still you want to look classic and chic. What to do? Just stick around and enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, okay? And make sure you take a chill pill, drink some water so you can comment something juicy, okay? So guys, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I know I'm doing the most, okay? Take care, ciao. Mwah. Hey baby girls, hey bulls. So let's jump into this face beads super fresh moisturizer already. So let's go ahead and prime. So I'm going to start up with the Judith Williams serum. I don't really have a drugstore primer. I think I only have one which is from Catrice serum. With this I'm going to have a little bit of, you know, primed, well primed face, because I think one primer is not going to be enough for me. I'm used to it that I have to use two to three primer. It's crazy, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to do some drop. I'm running out. I need to get another one because this product right here is my holy grail. Use my hand, blend that all over my face. Some Catrice the Blora Smoothing Face Primer. L'Oreal Shake and Glow setting spray. It's going to be my first time, okay? Bear in mind this tutorial is all about first impression on some new product that I got. So with this is going to bring back the glow, the dewiness, not too dewy but just a little bit, because my skin is dry. Like I said, it's so dry, like an old granny. Any old granny. And it feels like medication on my skin. It's not feeling like a setting spray. It's not bad. It doesn't have that kind of intensive, you know, strong perfume into it, and which I like. It's like water, you know. It's not feeling like a setting spray at all, and it dries super fast. I grabbed this foundation, which is the Infallible Matte Coverage, and in the shade 355, which is Sienna. But I just got this one. I want to try the one on the tube, so let me see the difference. This one, the shade, when I tested on the back of my head, it was a little bit red like the other one in the bottle. I believe that one is also, if I have the shade of the other one, I'm going to leave it down below as well. So the e.l.f. blender brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right there. So I'm going to blend one side here. I'm going to start, as always, my mouth area. And the foundation claims to be matte coverage. Even if it is not matte coverage, I'm not bothered at all. I'm not bothered. The most important thing that I'm happy with the result, how it feels on my skin. for me is more important because I don't normally wear drugstore make a foundation when I'm going out. It dries fast and it's not lying at all. It's not lying, it dries super fast. This one is matte or giving me that coverage. You guys know I'm a coverage vibe, period. Okay, so this is really doing the job for me. And I think this foundation you can also apply it with a beauty blender and it's still going to be perfect, but I decided to use a brush today because this is a first impression. I didn't want to get too mad because sometimes when you have a product, maybe when you use the wrong tools, it can be the result why you are not liking it. So I decided to go for a brush and I'm not mad at all. It's a very workable and blendable foundation, super flawless into my skin. So guys, you guys know without my returning sponge we ain't go nowhere. So to set my face, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fits Me Matte Plus Proless powder in number 350 Louvier brush right here, this huge brush. Highlight, I'm going to be taking the Early Girl HD concealer in the shade beige. Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Okay, the first time I tried it worked, so that is why I'm doing it. As you can see, my nose is super snatched, so let me blend out the contour. Doing a drugstore makeup tutorial, don't forget, it's always funny. That is why I said I'm excited. Take my foundation brush and do the extra finish. Guys, I hope my face is not looking too mad. We are okay. Set my highlight, the place I highlighted. I'm going to be taking the Real Technique, not Real, which is the original. I didn't mix this one, which is a hairspun loose face powder. To set my highlights. Okay. You don't have to do this, but I do it. I love it. It works, period. I'm going to be taking this Maybelline City Bronzer Deep Cool 300. Okay, too dark or is it going to show up? Let's try. No harm in trying. Appearing to me as a face powder to finish my face, so I'm going to switch to this Early Girl Queen Cover Girl I'm going for, so I can use it to set my face later on. You see what I mean? Yeah. To blush my cheek, I'm going to be taking this Catrice Limited Edition 6 brush, this one right here. Amazing. Wow, this is great. The eyebrow products, and this one is by Catrice. It's called Two-Tone Powder Waterproof in the shade 3D Eyebrow. Okay, to be using the lighter shade the front of my brow and use a darker one at the middle and at the tip of my eyebrow, if that makes sense. I'm just going to brush my eyebrow into place. This 6+ eyeliner brush. I believe I'm going to be using the lighter shade because the other one is going to be too dark, because I don't want this eyebrow, I want it to look realistic as possible because we are going for a very classic eye makeup. Do I like the products? I think so, it's not bad. Yes, and I'm taking this, my brush. I'm going to be taking my Real Technique brush to blend out brow bone concealer. On my eyelid, we are going to jump into this eye look right away. Yes, I'm going to be taking this Catrice Neonude palette. Oh my god. Light, dark, light purple pink. Let's see the pigment. The pigment is very important. Check out the pigment, baby girl. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just going to apply it right on my outer corner, and then I'm going to start blending it right away. This shade, I know you guys will be curious, which look is she doing? Just hold on, baby girl, hold on. No stress, no hard feeling, just relax. Yeah, I know it's going to be pigment. I know it's going to be pigment. And I'm dipping into this chocolate shade. I'm going to be applying it on my crease as well. BH Cosmetic buffer, and I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade right here. I'm just going to blend out the edges before I go in with the brow bone highlight. To be taking this beautiful nude shade right here, this shade. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Into this orange shade, and together with this brownish shade, I'm just going to start blending out the edges before I go in and apply my lid color. In this beautiful rose gold shade, I'm going to apply that all over my lids. My goodness, this is cute. Taking this shade right here, I'm just going to blow that under my eye. Okay, I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I'm just going to line my waterline and my upper eyeliner. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and spray this in case you can hear me, my battery on my microphone whatever is just showing me red, so I had to fix another microphone in case if you don't hear me. I just noticed now. Lashes, I'm going to be taking this Catrice lashes. I'm going to be taking the Alveda brow gel, transparent. Highlight my face, I'm going to be taking this Malvin Magnificent palette. I'm taking this beautiful rose gold and champagne gold, these two shades. To be lining my lips using these two lip lining. This one is by Alpha, then this one is by Max Factor, and this one is in brunettes. Okay, so first I'm going to be using this brown and top it with this darker brown. I have 3 liquid lipstick, and they are from Beauty Glazed. First with the lighter shade, in with the last one, which is my favorite. So I'm going to top it with this Catrice lip glance. Apply a little bit of Vava Vocois. I'll be right back. Stick around. Mama is coming. Don't go nowhere. Boom.